Good morning. Today, I from Mukhra Sanskrit Upshastri College, Bandhu Chapla Bhojpur. And today, in the previous classes, we have discussed about subject verb concord, about 40 rules of this. Today, we will see some more rules of subject verb concord. So, let me start it from 31st. Very few is also using degree. Taken, takes, plural, subject, and plural verb. For example, very few kings of India, sorry, very few kings are as great as Ashok in Indian history. Here you can see that very few is used, which means plural subject is there. You can see as kings, and plural verb is here as are. This is also a degree, positive degree. You can see here as and as. As is only represent as positive degree, then represent as comparative, and the represent as superlative. I will tell you later. Now in next one or two takes plural subject and plural verb. For example, one or two was, have, gone to play. Here you can see that one or two is taking a plural subject as was, and plural verb is here as have. Okay, so you can see now on 33, more than takes plural subject as well as verb. For example, more than 50 workers are working there. Here you can see that more than is used as subject, is taking a plural subject as workers, and taking a verb also as plural, means verb is also plural are. So I think that you don't have any problem in these three. So now Let us see some more. As 34 number, as noun plus of plus noun takes verb according to the first noun. According to first noun. So let me write example as the writing of the letters has been finished. Okay, so here you can see that the writing is here as noun and of is there as the conjunction of the letter which is adding as the letter. So the writing means noun plus object of plus noun taking a first means taking verb according to first noun, which means has. Okay, you can also write some examples like the books of this publication are interesting. Like example, the books of this publication are interesting or boring. Simple. Here you can see books, plural subject. Here is also a noun and here is also a noun, but it is taking according to first noun, which means first noun is here as plural subject. Here it is singular subject, but according to first noun it is plural subject, so it has taken plural verb. Okay, now 35. If there is used as dummy subject, verb will be according to subject, according to noun, which is like subject after verb, which comes after there. Okay, so what do you mean by the term dummy subject? This you can write the question. Dummy subject means it is not like a subject. It is not like a subject means like we use here. Let me tell you some examples like we use Ram or any name as subject, you know this, but sometimes we also use Ram pronouns like he, she, it, they, any pronoun. Okay, but sometimes we also start with a they there as subject, means instead of noun and pronoun we use there as subject, so it is working as here as noun and pronoun only, so it is taken as dummy. Dummy means we know about dummy puppet. Dummy puppet like some puppet which we use, और हिंदी में से उसी के जैसे कंगाल या कंकाल कहिए, एक तरह से डम्मी का कंकाल होता है जो साइंस लेबोरेटरी में रहता है. So like it will be there is a quite simple sentence I am telling you. So here you can see a boy. It is as noun, it is at dummy subject, and it is at singular verb. So why? So it is taking noun, means the noun means the verb will be according to noun. So here noun is a singular subject. So when singular subject is there, so it will be definitely a single verb. So it will be like this only. So I think this much is okay for today's class. uh, have a nice day. Good day.